Hello guys, Karnataka NEET Counselling 2021 notification has been released on the official website on 13 December 2021. This counselling is conducted by Karnataka Examination Authority, which is also called as KEA. As per the notification, the Karnataka UG-NEET Counselling registration will begin today on official website kee.kar.ac.in. This notification will inviting applications online for admission to MBBS and BDS courses to Ayush courses to Karnataka candidates. So, hello guys, welcome to Test Prep Card channel. Keep your notification on for all the new updates. Now let's start the topic. The registration for Karnataka UG-NEET Counselling 2021 will start from today 2 p.m. onward on the official website. Now let's check the important date for Karnataka NEET Counselling 2021. Registration starts from today 13 December from 2 p.m. The last date to apply is December 17 till 11:59 p.m. Candidates get some extra time for paying the registration fees as of 18 December 5:30 p.m. last. Now let's discuss for non-Karnataka candidates, those candidates who are appearing for Karnataka UG-NEET Counselling from other states. Non-Karnataka candidates who have qualified in UG-NEET 2021, they have to first register through online in KEA website portal. Then enter all the required information and pay the registration fees. They also need to upload 12th class mark sheet in a PDF format and also need to appear for the verification of documents. Candidates who are NRI, OCI, PIO, foreign national candidates, or if any other non-Karnataka candidate who are eligible for NRI ward. All the NRI ward candidates need to appear in verification of document at KEA Bangalore on the specified date. Let's see how to apply for Karnataka NEET Counselling. The first step is go for official website Karnataka Examination Authority, which is kea.kar.ac.in. After open the website, click on home icon and select UG-NEET 2021. A new page would open where you can register by giving details. Start filling the application form. Also upload all the required documents. After filling the registration form, pay the application fees and click on the submit. Take a print of all the receipt copy of the form for further reference. You can also go through KEA guideline given on the website. If you find helpful in this video, do like and subscribe for this channel. Thank you.